everyone, and welcome to Yoka's Poka. I am Yoka, your night owl. So, for today's plan with me, I actually wanted to go ahead and use some sticker paper, and as you can tell, I already kind of practiced and I made a cursed Yumi. That did not turn out well. I just hope Disney doesn't sue me because I want to actually use Pocahontas because for this week it's Earth Day on the 22nd of Saturday, so I don't know, when I think of Earth Day, I think of Pocahontas and her song Colors of the Wind. So it's really beautiful, and in my mind, I think it's gonna come out cool. So let's go ahead and get started. So a quick disclaimer, I'm actually using full sheet label sticker paper that I got from Amazon for 12 bucks. I will go ahead and link it in the description just in case you want to use this as well. I went ahead and pulled off some images from Google that I want to use for my stickers, and I just went ahead and pasted it in Google Docs. And the cool thing that I like about Google Docs is that there's actually this recolor section, so you don't even need Photoshop or anything fancy if you want to recolor some of the photos, which you can see I already did. Once I was happy with all the photos and the layout, I went ahead and set up my printer and I put in the label sticker paper in and started to print. Alrighty, so I just finished printing all of them and they all turned out pretty good. The only one that messed up was this one towards the bottom, but it's okay, I'm still gonna use it. But other than that, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the time to cut out all of these and we can start planning. Unfortunately, I don't have any fancy Cricut machine, all I have is good old scissors. Okay, well that took a very long time. Just a fair warning, if you're gonna cut out a lot of stickers like I did, you might want to put on something in the background. I did mess up a little bit on Pocahontas. I accidentally ripped a piece of her skirt, so I just went ahead and took a pen and just kind of colored it in. So it looks more like an outline, like a continuation of the outline. So just be careful with this paper, it is kind of fragile. However, if you're okay with the quality not being that great, then I do think it's a wonderful deal because there is 100 sheets of this paper, so I feel like it's a really good bargain. Thanks to the Google Docs and its recolor section, I was able to get different values in the colors of the leaves. I was able to kind of create like an ombre effect, which was really cool. I was really trying my best to create that effect where the leaves were circling around Pocahontas, just like in the movie. And I tried, I don't know if I succeeded, but what I did do is I was really mindful of making sure that the leaves were kind of facing different directions, so that way they weren't all just like going one way. I feel like having them faced different ways kind of makes it more interesting. Also, for that wavy effect, I just kind of eyeballed it, and whatever areas needed more leaves, I would just go ahead and add more. If you watched my last video, then you would know that I am trying my best to learn more about these box stickers. So I figured what a great time, I'm gonna go ahead and take out my Agenda 52 sticker book, which I got from Hobby Lobby. And this entire sticker book is just filled with a bunch of box stickers and you name it, there's just so many things in here. So I wanted to go ahead and kind of match up the boxes with the leaves, and I think it came out pretty cool. That was actually something that I was pretty surprised to find out about Agenda 52 stickers, especially in this sticker book. There was just so many colors and I was able to color match almost perfectly. The only one I wasn't really able to find good stickers for was the yellow boxes, but I just went ahead and used gold, which is totally fine. I actually liked how it looked. Speaking of stickers, going back to the label sticker paper that I got from Amazon, I will say that it was actually pretty easy to unstick the stickers and restick them. They were still like adhesive and I didn't really have a problem with that. But I did rip a few stickers, so that is something to keep in mind. It might have been my fault though, because some of the stickers were just kind of small. But all in all, I was pretty surprised to see that it was still able to restick and I didn't need to like use glue or anything. There was certain areas in the spread that seemed kind of empty, so I went ahead and quickly printed out Miko and Flint, which is Pocahontas's two pets. And I also printed out Colors of the Wind because I felt like that would be pretty cool to have too. Once I was happy with the arrangements of the box stickers, I decided that the top and the bottom of the spread were kind of too empty, so I cut some of the leaves in half and I just placed the leaves there. It was then time to write out all my to-dos for this week, so I took my Tombow Drawing Pen and my Staedtler Marker. And it's complete! I do hope you can get yourself some sticker paper because it's so much fun printing your own stickers. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you all a little later.